Okay guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can turn off the Find My application within the iPhone. This is actually quite a useful thing if you have accidentally activated it or no longer want it to be active for whatever reason. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so to start with, the first thing we want to do on our iPhone here is head over to settings. Give that a click and you're going to load up all of the settings here for your iPhone. And you can see the very first area is your name. If you've got family sharing, that will be on there, and any kind of subscriptions that are ending soon or expiring or anything like that. What we want to do is we want to click on the Apple account, your name at the very top here with your avatar. Click on that one. It's going to load up all of your Apple account settings. And in here, you're going to find something called Find My just at the very bottom. We're going to click on that. It's going to load up the Find My devices, right? And you can see the first one says that it is on. Underneath that is, my location or this device, share my location. And then of course I have family settings enabled, so I'm sharing locations with family and vice versa. Now, in order to turn this off, you'd have that very first option just there. Click on that. And of course you can just toggle this one off, just like so. It's going to ask you for your password, all the usual kind of stuff. Now, I'm not going to do any of this because I don't actually want to turn it off, but basically you'd put your password in, you'd confirm that obviously you're going to stop sharing your data, all that kind of usual stuff, and that would be it. That would be how you would essentially just go ahead and turn off your Find My. Now, if you wanted to just remove certain individuals, you can do that further down the line here. You can see specific people that you're sharing your location with. You can just turn it off for those people or remove those particular individuals from being able to see your devices. So yeah, that's how you would turn off the Find My application in your iPhone. If you have found this useful and informative, make sure to smash the like button if you're new, subscribe, and I will catch you all in the next one.